Today I'm here to try, or to review this Micromallows by Original Squishmallows. And this is a Jolly Holiday calendar. It's like a advent calendar, but you get Squishmallows every day for 12 days. And these are all the exclusive Squishmallows. So here's the, it opens up. It was covered in plastic. I took the plastic off. And it has, these are the doors. The other side has pictures of the Squishmallows. The back shows you which ones you're getting and their names. So if you don't want spoilers, then you might want to not watch. Okay, so here's the first one. And they're cute. They're about maybe 3 inches. They do have a little tag. This one's called Misty. And she's the little elf, mouse elf, it looks like. Even has a little tail in the back. Okay, so number 2. This one is La La La. I don't know what she is. I think she's well, she's got antlers. And she's got a snowflake here. So maybe she's a deer. Okay, number 3. It looks like a gingerbread bear. This is Tolef. I think he's a cookie, actually. But it looks like a bear. Okay, number 4. Okay, this one's a cat. He's got a little tail. I think he's wearing a sweater. His name is Cam. A little quist. Well, even the sweater has cats and trees, cat heads and trees. Okay, number 5. This is a snowman. His name is Manny. He's got a little bowler hat too, and a cute Christmas scarf. Okay, and number 6. This is called Plat. I think he's a candle. Looks like the flame. Okay, number 7. Okay, this is a penguin. Her name is Luna. He's cute. And number 8. This is, her name's Astrid. I think they're, it's an abominable snowman maybe? I don't know. I don't know what animal looks like that. Okay, number 9. This is Jordan. He also may be a gingerbread cookie. Okay, number 10. Oh, this one's a Christmas tree, including the little star on the top. This one's called Tom. And number 11. This might be, his name is Nick, so it could be Santa Claus. Yep, except he's dressed in green. And the last one, number 12. It's another cat. This one's name is Ryan. He's got a little cap. Here's his little tail. Actually, he's a husky. Oh yeah, he's a husky dog. Yeah, this is a good set. I don't know if you were able to get it when you were at your Aldi, but I'm sure they're gone by now. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but whatever you pay, you are getting 12 of these little Squishmallows. I think you can probably find them on eBay now. Yeah, they're all holiday themed pretty much. This is not all of them, but I can't hold all of them in my hands. I guess I could try. It's a little hard to hold them all in your hands. Yeah, you're getting a lot of little, Squishmallows. Micromallows, they're called. Oops, I'm dropping some. So, I'm going to give this Jolly Holiday calendar with Micromallows. I'm going to give this one an A. It's got lots of cute little Squishmallows, and they're all different. And you can open one each day. So anyways, I will see you again soon. Oops. Bye-bye.